from creating your original design, applying that automatically to all of your guest names, I have got you covered from my own experience, and it will save you a ton of time and energy. I have a template that's available for you to download that will help streamline this process. Let's jump into Canva and we can make your wedding tablescape dreams. Once you're happy with the design and how it's looking, we are ready to go on. You now have a one-page design. Now we are ready to automate the designs. Now you will also need your guest list. So let's have a look at how we're going to make technology work for us. For search Canva apps, I want you to go over to bulk create. That's what we're looking for, bulk create. Now you have an option of how you want to enter in your guest list. Canva has this great feature where you're able to link it to some outside platforms. You can also enter the data manually. Okay, so how we're going to structure this is we are going to have our names in the first column, and the second column you can change. We're not going to have email addresses. We're going to have tables. If you need to add any more columns, you can do that by clicking that there. And if you need to delete anything, it's right here. Go across to your guest list, select your guest names, Control or Command C to copy, or right click, copy, back to Canva, click in the first column, and then Control V to overwrite that with your information. Back to guest lists, Control or Command C to copy. Paste. Control or Command C to paste. And then we're done. Now what you need to do is you need to link the data that you've imported to your original design. So you're going to click on this. You're going to go to connect data, or you can right click and that will be there too. Connect data. And now it's giving you the options of what you have linked here with your titles. So we are going to say this is the name. Please put the name in this spot here. And then you're going to click on table 3 and you're going to go connect data and you're going to select tables. Make sure it's all connected. Then you click continue. And it's asking you now, do you want to select all of these? Yes, you do. Generate 24 designs. And there's going to create a new one. You click on view design to go and see that. You will now see that all of the names have been added as well as the tables. How quick and simple was that? I can tell you it is a lot simpler than going in and adding all of this yourself. What you are doing now is you are wanting to just go through and scan that you haven't got any interference between the names and the tables where one has been written over the other. This is a prime example, a large end letter. So you will then click on that, you hold down Shift so that it keeps it on a level line, and you move it across until you're happy. And you can go over to grid view and check you've got all of your nameplates cards done. We're going to download all of these files. So go over to share, download. I'm Gigi from Spotted Hat Design, and we create tutorials in Canva for the budget savvy bride who appreciates good design without the eye-watering price tag.